Hi, I am Chloe Sikarskie from RTS Labs, and today I'm going to be covering our 30-day AI roadmap and how to pick use cases that survive finance and IT review. Most AI projects don't fail because the technology didn't work. They fail because they weren't able to get past the organization's gatekeepers. I'm referring to the finance and IT departments. These teams are responsible for ROI and security. Teams often spend weeks building cool AI pilots, only to have them killed during review because they lack business use case or create a security nightmare. But today, I'm going to walk you through how to build an AI roadmap in just 30 days that's designed to be audit-proof and to get a yes from the boardroom. So let's go ahead and get started with the money. Finance does not care about innovation as a buzzword. What they actually care about is the impact. And so to pass this finance filter, you need to move away from the vague productivity gains and towards what we call the 90-day rule. Every use case in your 30-day roadmap must show a clear path to tangible ROI within one business quarter. Instead of saying, this will make our team faster, say, this will reclaim 400 hours of manual data entry and saving us X amount of dollars per month. Use value mapping to connect AI capabilities directly to your profit and loss statements. If you can't measure the savings, then you can't justify the spend. Next is the IT filter. For your CIO or CTO, if a tool isn't secure, then it isn't scalable. IT will surely veto any project that creates unregulated tools that put company data at risk. Your AI roadmap survives by passing the data test. Can your use case run on your existing approved data silos? If a project requires a year-long data overhaul and cleanup, it doesn't belong in a 30-day roadmap. At RTS Labs, we recommend a model-agnostic approach. By showing IT that you aren't locked into a single LLM provider, you prove that you're building for long-term stability and not just following a short-term trend. So, how do you choose the winners? We use a simple matrix, business value versus technical feasibility. And as you can see on the chart here, the high value, high feasible winners are usually found in unstructured data. Think about the massive volume of PDFs, logs, and emails your company handles every single day. AI is incredible at automating these high volume, low risk tasks immediately. Look for plug and play opportunities. Use cases that integrate into your existing EPR or CRM rather than requiring an entire new platform. The next step in this process is thinking about governance. Now, don't leave governance for the finish line. Lead with a guardrails, not gates philosophy to ensure your roadmap enables progress rather than blocking it. While model providers handle the underlying bias monitoring, your responsibility as a utilizer is the integrity of these results. By building rigorous output testing and strict data privacy directly into your initial pitch, you satisfy compliance and security teams before they even have to ask. Explicitly state how your roadmap keeps sensitive data within your private corporate cloud and ensures every output is validated for accuracy. When you lead with governance, you aren't just asking for permission. You're proving you're a responsible steward for the company's intellectual property. Now, finally, you have to win over the people. And that doesn't just mean the C-suite. While executive sponsorship is vital, the most successful AI strategies focus on ground-up advocacy. The safest and most repetitive tasks, the ones most ripe for AI automation, live downstream from leadership. To ensure a successful rollout, your roadmap must identify and empower ground-level champions early on. These are individuals who will actually use the tools daily and prove the value in the trenches. By showing how these use cases empower employees rather than replacing them, you build organic momentum needed for a permanent center of excellence. When departments see vetted, secure models being championed by their own peers, the culture starts to shift from AI skepticism to AI adoption. Building an enterprise-grade AI roadmap doesn't have to take 6 months. Here at RTS, we recommend the following structure. Days 1 through 10, focus on value mapping. Days 11 through 20, focus on IT and security validation. And finally, days 21 through 30, finalize your executive presentation. At RTS Labs, we specialize in turning these 30-day roadmaps into scalable realities. We don't just hand you a strategy, we partner with you and your team to navigate the technical hurdles, secure your data, and identify the early wins that deliver immediate ROI. If you're ready to build a roadmap that actually survives the boardroom and moves the needle on your profit and loss statement, let's get to work. Visit us at rtslabs.com to start your 30-day plan today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more content.